Hello, my name is Abby, and today I'm going to teach you how to subtract decimals. When you're subtracting your decimals, the decimals must always be lined up, just like adding decimals. So the decimals have to be like this. That's perfect. And here's an example. So there's 5. You subtract like normal. We're going to borrow. There's other videos on borrowing, but I don't think we have enough time right now. Just 6. Now we're at the decimal. We're just going to do the decimal right where the other two are and continue on with our subtraction question. This would be your answer. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you know how to subtract decimals. See you next time. Bye.